Hi everyone, now let us see this PYQ. Let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax plus 3a plus 10 is equal to 0 such that alpha less than 1, 1 less than beta, then the set of all possible values of a is. This problem was given on January 21st, 2026, shift 1. So what is the condition for given number k to lie in between the roots of the quadratic equation? See now, if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The condition for given number k to lie in between the roots of the quadratic equation, just only one condition, a into f of k must be less than 0. So no need to take discriminant. The condition for the given number k to lie in between the roots of the quadratic equation, only one condition, a into f of k must be less than 0. So you can verify that condition for these two parabolas yourself. See one particular case. If k becomes 0, alpha less than 0, 0 less than beta. That means alpha is negative, beta is positive. So the condition for one root is negative, other root is positive can be obtained just by writing k is equal to 0. So the condition will become a into f of 0 less than 0. So based on that theory part, let us take this numerical problem. Say the given quadratic equation. So I am representing that quadratic expression with f of x. F of x representing x square plus 2ax plus 3a plus 10, that is the quadratic expression. So we have to find the range of the parameter a when 1 lies in between the roots. That means he had given k is equal to 1. So the parameter is given a. In the formula I told coefficient of x square is a. So there is a clash in the unknowns. The coefficient of x square I am representing with a dash. So the condition for 1 to lie in between the roots, have to say that a into f of k less than 0. So instead of writing a, just I am writing a dash, which is representing coefficient of x square in the quadratic expression. So a dash into f of k must be less than 0. So that is the condition for k to lie in between the roots of the quadratic equation. So here a dash representing coefficient of x square, that is 1. So in place of k we are writing 1. 1 into f of 1 must be less than 0. What is f of 1? See? So in the quadratic expression, wherever x is there, that should be replaced it with 1. That is 1 plus 2a plus 3a plus 10 must be less than 0. Otherwise I can say that 5a plus 11 must be less than 0. Therefore a must be less than minus 11 by 5. So a less than minus 11 by 5 means I can say that a lies in the interval minus infinity to minus 11 by 5. That's all. So that is the range of the parameter a. See now which option is the correct option. So I can say option A is the correct option. Very simple problem was given. Had given one problem for the practice yourself. For more videos, subscribe.